Welcome back to the series of MS Word. So far you've seen setup system to start MS Word as well as how to set up the MS Word who are efficient for working. And in this video we are going to discuss about the table. So in this video how to work on table, as we can table, insert table style option, insert row, insert column, cut copy paste in the table, delete row, split and merge row, resize the row, alignment for the style or the table, many more things table itself. So first of all we will see insert table style and table style option. So let us see how to insert table. So create table done by many more methods. The first of all, go to the insert tab and see the table option. So here the table option are given. So table option, the insert or draw a table into the document. So you can also convert existing text in a table. So first of all you click on the table option. So one dialog box are open. So first of all you select, okay, that means insert table, so automatically the cursors are given. So you select how many row and how many columns are required here. So first of all you go to the second page, that means second page are open. Then you go the table option, that is how many row and how many columns are required here. So you select and click, that means 3 row and 3 column are inserted. So it is the one method to insert a table. Or second method, Ctrl Z and we go to the insert table. Yes, insert table. Yes, click on, one dialog box are open. Say in this dialog box number of column and number of row are insert. That means number of row is 5 and number of columns are 5 and number of row are 2 are by default given. But I want to select there are 3 row and there are 3 column. Okay, and click on the OK button. Okay, then we get a table. So you create table, how many row and how many columns are your choice. So number of row and number of columns are insert. So then design and layout tab. So the design and layout tab are given here. So design tab, you click on the design tab. Yes, there are, let us see. Yes, let us see to the design part. So how to work on design part? All the inbuilt style are given. You can select any one of them. Yes, any one of them. Then select is a one method. Yes, and in this design view is a one method. There are number of methods are given. Modify table style, clear, new table style. Okay, new table style are also given here. That means you select, okay, all the table row and table grid. Yes, so here the given header row, that means header row display the special formatting for the first row of the table. That means you select the table row. So the table row, that means what is the use of table row? Table header row. Header, that means first row are display special formatting for the last row of the table. That means table row. Next is the banded row. Banded row, that means display banded row in which even row are formatted differently from one rows. This banding can make tables easier to read. Then next, the banded columns. It also display banded columns in which even columns are formatted differently from odd. This banding can make tables easier to read. That means there are different options are given in the table layout. So second tab is layout. In the layout, you select the grid and properties, delete properties. That means what? One of the table properties dialog box. To change the advanced table properties, you should click on the advanced table, then row, column and cell, insert row, insert column, insert cells. There are different methods and border and settings are given, but in the next video I will discuss the more option of the tables. There are number of options are given, that means formulas, convert to the text to the table. So in the next video I will discuss the next option of the table. Okay, thank you.